Let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Nicole.
I'm Cornelius.
And welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the McDade's. Hey.
Tonight on the menu, we're gonna make it real simple. We're gonna make some quesadillas.
Or for the ratchet people, quesadillas.
Alright, let's get started.
These are all your ingredients that you will need. Some tortillas, cheese, butter.
Alright guys, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of butter in my pan. Move it around like that. So next I'm gonna take my corn tortillas, wipe the pan like so. Because we want both sides nice and buttery. Now I'm gonna put my cheese on top. You can put as much cheese or less cheese if you want. Since my girl like extra cheese, so I'm gonna put extra cheese on it. Look up. And then with the other shell, you just place that right on top, like so. After a couple minutes, 2 minutes, flip over, like so.
Nice golden brown. Yum, yum, yum.
All right, as you can see, both sides are brown. It's ready to come out the skillet.
Okay, so I put butter in the pan already and I'm gonna cook my tortilla. So, this was definitely not a planned meal. We were supposed to cook something else, but I forgot the ingredient. So, we'll make that at the next episode. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, it'll be a surprise. But we're just gonna let this go ahead and cook a little bit. Want it to get nice and brown and buttery, and then we'll do a flip. Okay, so when you cooking the quesadillas, I said the dealers. You gotta make sure you put a lot of cheese because it's gonna melt down. So it may look like I'm putting like a crap load of cheese on here, but I'm really not. Okay?
Give her extra cheese.
Shut up!
Look at that, you gonna burn my nice pan.
I'm not gonna burn it. It's not stick, damn it. Okay, so we're gonna put that on there, and then we're gonna put that on top and let that marinate. It's gonna be good and cheesy, but it ain't gonna be skinny like his.
Look at mine. Mine's nice and flat.
Skinny. I want my shit obese. I want cheese, baby. So tonight's wine that we have is called In the Pink from Aldi's.
From Aldi.
It is a pink Moscato, and it's from the origin of South Africa.
Yeah.
Power to the people. And it is a taste of sweet, style, medium body, and the notes are aromas and flavors of strawberry, tropical fruit, and melon lead to a sweet, refreshing finish.
Bust it open.
You sound like an alky.
This is what I look forward
You
to
said
right
bust
here.
it open. And yes, we don't have to use the cork for this one.
How much you pay for this?
I paid only $6.99 for that huge bottle. Smells good. All right. In the pink.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's see. Wow, guys, Greek Herb, do you do that?
Because real wine drinkers, you know, they taste all the goodness.
I can sip it. It's actually really good, y'all.
Yeah, it's decent.
I was thinking it was going to be a little bit more fizzy.
I thought so too. I thought it was going to be better, so it's okay.
It's cool.
You bring this to grandma's house. Shout out to Monty Peggy and everybody. I know y'all be watching.
We'll be sending y'all some of this bottle at the next family event. Everybody getting a bottle.
So shout out to Crystal Eubanks for making the curry chicken.
Spicy
curry chicken.
Okay, so if you guys ever make any of our recipes or anything that you see us on our cooking show making, send us a picture. We'll post it, we'll put it in the video and shout you out on the next video.
So my can-do of the night is Midsummer Nights. Summer's night.
And summer's no longer here, but we can smell like it.
Yeah. I got it from Yankee Candle, $5. Yeah, pick it up. You can burn it right inside the Tupperware thing. Just take the top off. Hit the click.
Okay guys, so we have officially finished cooking. Everything is already ready for us to eat. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching our show. And
like,
share,
and subscribe to the show. She talking too much. I gotta eat.
Just can't stand. All right. Happy eating, guys. Bye.
Bye.